video is an introduction to some of the terms that you'll become familiar with in anatomy and disease. Anatomy is the study of structure, and physiology is the study of function of the human. We'll look at it in two different ways: a normal and a healthy individual, or an abnormal or a diseased individual. The term used for normal, we have a level of homeostasis maintained in the body. So it's maintaining that stable internal environment inside the human. Abnormal would be pathology, or the study of the scientific study of disease. So that would be where we look at different diseases that affect the integumentary system or the cardiovascular system. Those are all when the body is not responding and maintaining homeostasis as it should. The human body is arranged into different levels of organization. Some of this may look familiar to you from biology. Some of it may be a little bit new to you. So the human body is the organism. Body systems, which we've already covered a little bit about, would be groups of organs that work together to form highly complex functions. Organs are groups of tissues that work together to perform a special function. And tissues are groups of cells that perform a specific function or a similar function. So we may have the organism is made up of the cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system consists of the heart, all the blood vessels throughout the body, arteries, veins, and capillaries. And the heart may be made up of muscular tissue. It may be made up of integumentary tissue. It made up of different kinds of skin covering type of tissues. It's also composed of blood, which is a whole different type of cell itself. So tissues are just groups of cells that perform the same function. And a cell, flashback to biology, is the simplest unit of living matter. A molecule is chemically bonded atoms, and atoms are chemicals. So they're a little more basic than the chemical, but chemicals are made up of atoms. Molecules are made up of chemicals. Cells are made up of molecules. Tissues are made up of cells. Organs are made up of several different types of tissues. And systems are made up of more than one organ that work together to perform a complex function. And then we have all of the organ systems that work together to give the functioning human body.